Okay, so to get started with payments, go ahead and click on the Payments tab here on the left-hand sidebar once you've logged into your account. Now, the payment section will allow us to take payments from customers, allow us to create invoices, create contracts and documents, subscriptions, payment links, products, coupon codes, recurring invoices, and much, much more. So to get started with payments and to show you exactly all the features that exist within this tab and the extensiveness of how you can set up your business around this software, let's go through it one by one right now. So invoices are one-off invoices that we can create and send to the contacts within our contact database. This will then automatically email them a copy of the invoice, which they can view, and providing you have a payment provider integrated into your account, can pay the invoice right there in the email online. You also have, under invoices and estimates, recurring invoices. Recurring invoices are the same as invoices, except they're recurring. So you can set this up as weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly, whatever works and whatever's best for your business. But it's the same as invoices, but we can set a invoice one time, set it as recurring on a recurring basis, and then automatically our systems will send out new invoices to those clients on the specific day you've chosen of every week or every month or every year. Next then, under invoices and estimates, we also have templates and estimates. So templates is essentially templates that we can create. So if we have the same invoice style or the same invoice template that goes out to all prospects, we can make this template once and then utilize that template in every future invoice. We also have